Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how you can turn on or off Windows Update service in Windows 11 computer. So it's pretty straightforward process. The first step is that you should left click on the search button and type services. Getting the best match for it, left click on it. Once you open up services, click on any of the service in front of you and press the W button on your keyboard and scroll down to Windows Update service. Here it is. Double click on it. First of all, you should change its startup type to manual. Apply it. So right now the service status is running. It means that Windows Update service is on. If you want to switch it off, you should simply click on this stop button. So again you want to start it, click on start. So this is the way guys how you can turn on or off the Windows Update service in Windows 11 computer. I hope you got it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for further tutorials. Take care. Goodbye.